plans of doing a cool little vlog and showing you getting ready for the RISE Retreat, but Paisley had other ideas. Good morning! Doing our run down to yoga. I hope that's focusing. I can't concentrate. Oh, and look at that! Like, sort your hair out. I'm excited for tomorrow. We've got lots more talking, so I need to get some sleep. I'll see you in the morning. On the last walk down, I think, to the main house on the last day of the RISE Retreat, and it is glorious. And I'm a little bit sad that if the weather had been like this when we got here, it probably would have been a different experience, but then I guess traipsing up and down this hill in the rain has been part of that experience of my husky voices, because I've got absolutely wasted with everyone last night. I wasn't drinking, but I think just thought I was too much singing with the band. Now it's the decision whether, if Leanne does it again next year, do I come? And also I've got to rewrite all my notes and listen to all those talks again and see where it takes me. But it's been awesome. It really has.